Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Robinhood. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser in which you have not logged out from your Robinhood account. And then in the address bar, type in robinhood.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Robinhood website where you will automatically be taken into your homepage for your account if you haven't logged out already. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you can directly click on the Logout button, or you can also click on Settings and then scroll all the way down and click on Logout. Once you click on the Logout button, you will once again end up within the login page where you will be asked to log into your account. So if you wish to log back in, simply enter your email address and your password and click on the login button. And now you will be logged back in once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Robinhood from any device if you have forgotten to do so. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.